We just got back to Philadelphia to find this honeybee swarm in our front yard.
You're getting too close for comfort.
They're not dangerous at this point because they're swarming.
Ever seen a honeybee swarm?
Oh wow.
There they are. There they are.
That's wild.
There's a queen somewhere in there,
Sure. Huh.
and they're looking for a
Does that happen
place.
frequently, or is this
First time.
I've seen this before.
Wow.
There's a queen in there. It was just raised by another colony, and she's here in the middle of this somewhere, and these are all scouts looking for a place to build their nest. Welcome back to Philadelphia.